Hello. In this video, we will learn how to add text formatting in Trupeer docs. Once you're on the documentation page, click on the Edit icon. You will then be redirected to the documentation. First, select the text you wish to format. After selection, the formatting menu above will offer several options. You can choose the block type according to your requirements, such as headings, quotes. To bold the text, click on the bold option. For italics, select the italic option, which will convert your text to italic. Text can also be underlined. To add a link, click on the Create Link option, where you can enter the URL or a title for reference. Additionally, you can convert text into inline code formats. To insert a thematic break, click on the thematic break option. Another feature is the Find and Replace option. Click on it, then enter the text you wish to find and what you want to replace it with. After entering your choices, click on Match Cases. Any occurrence of Trupeer in the documentation will change to Trupeer AI. Once confirmed, click Replace All and observe the transformation. This is how you utilize the Find and Replace feature. To revert to previous changes, use the Undo option. The Undo function will revert the text changes. To redo changes, simply click on the Redo option. Afterward, either click Save Changes to apply them to the documentation or discard them. Saving will update the documentation accordingly. This is how you can annotate and add text formatting in Trupeer docs. Thank you.